Hi friends, myself Amrish Kumar from Uplatz, and today I am going to explain a new thing, and really it is very new thing. As of now, you have attended all the sessions and have understand the on-page activities and the authentication of the website trust, and so many things. Now today I am going to explain you the Google Analytics, means about the Google Analytics, what is it and how we use it. So before proceeding, I have going to explain you a few things, that how to create the Google account, Analytics account, how to register your website, how to collect the code, how to code implement. Also there are some blog website like Blogger, that is actually blogspot.com and wordpress.com. So here I am also give you an idea that if you are creating your own blog, then how will you place the code. So all things are very systematic and simple. If you are ready to learn, I am starting. So first of all, I am navigating from here to Google Analytics website, where I am giving you a complete idea that how you will create an account. As we all know that we have an email ID that is made mainly in the Gmail, means all of us having the email ID that's associated with the Google or Gmail. So if you are having, then it's fine, but if you are not having, then it's very easy to create a account in Google. And if you are not know how to create the Gmail account, then I can take another session, but I am hoping that, and I am in this impression that you all know how to create the email account in Gmail, and you all having that. So I am not taking that part, I am just navigating you from the Google Analytics. So just we are moving toward the Google Analytics, and where we can see like this, and opening this website. I have so many accounts in Google Analytics, so you can see here a lot of things are here, you can see. So here I am going to give you a complete idea that how you will create an account in Google Analytics. As you know, it is already created, so there is no worry. But now here the concept is, how do we register a website? So before proceeding the registration process, I am giving you two ideas that how we update Google Analytics code on a website. There are the three ways. One is FTP, second is Cpanel, means control panel, and third one is CMS, means a few websites those are made in the CMS. You can also upload the webmaster code there. All the three are having the different way. In a Cpanel you have to access that website on the web, but for the FTP you should have the access of FTP. While for the Cpanel cases might be the user or the developer created some separate section for the header and footer section, so there you can place that code and upload by the help of Cpanel or FTP, whatever the access you find. So here we are, and this is my website for which I have to create an analytic account. So till the here there is no problem. Just when you open the website you find like this. So just moving from here, and you can see that there is an admin section. This is the admin section. Here you reach and find a lot of things: create account, create property, and create view. These are the three ways. Means in a account you can create a lot of property, while in a property you can add a lot of views, means with a different section. Means if you want the traffic or reports that exclude a particular location and IP. So this is a very good platform where you can see a lot of information in the different ways. The view is a different thing that I explained in the end of this session. So let's start create property. When we start creating property, they ask us a name, and generally we place the name of website here. because so that we can remember that this property or account is associated with this. And you can see that Google product service benchmarking technical support account specialist and next. Analytic is giving the things for the web app and for the both. So as of now we have only web, so we are going with this. So next, my new website, I can place the website name here. It's very easy to place, no worry. And the things is here, and you see that HTTP is already associated, so there is no need to place it. Select industry. Here you can select the industry like finance, food, drink, game, healthcare, hobby, lies in home and garden. A lot of things are here, so you can select anything. Like shopping is very good. Reporting time zone, suppose the company is in another country, so you can select the country name from here. Like I am selecting the USA and the Los Angeles time and create it. After creating this, we see that this information that I am agree with some term and condition, and really this term and condition is very big, so I hope this is not the right time to read the entire. But the concept of this, the Google having the access of your all the property that is your available on a website. So and giving some definition of uh, activities like profile, property, server, etc, etc. So if you are interested, then you can read this all and understand. I have never read this entire thing. I trust on Google that okay is fine. So just clicking here and scrolling down, and this again is clicking, and I accept, because there is no option to refuse it. Now account is create, and this is the second part is the property user management, tracking code, data collection, data. We need tracking code. So as we click on this, we can see that tracking code is coming. Here you can see that tracking code is now available here. And this is the global site tag, G tag it is called. Tracking code is the property. Copy and paste this code as the first item into the head of your every page. So the Google is saying that you have to place this code in the header tag. So I just here and I copy this code and going to place. As of now, this website is having the code in the bottom. You can see that in the bottom of the website. But Google is says that you should place this code in the header section. So it's another code I am going to place in the header section with the help of FTP, and that I will show you. So I open the page here in the Edit Plus, and I am seeing that head section is started from here and head section is gone and at here. So I can place my this analytic code anywhere in between this. So I just placing the code just above this place. So now my code is here, and remember this number, because on the basis of this number I will show you that code is pasted. And for your security and your way, I can show you that this code is as of now not present on the web. I search this code here and it is as of now not available, and the code is this. My code is 175 and this is 139. So when I upload this code with the help of FTP, then you can see, and I am moving to FTP. Now I am at FTP and just going to SUDI here written it, and the connection is stabilizing. And now after a few minutes we see some files are here. So now we can see that some files are here, and for the security purpose, before uploading an other page, we have to rename the current one, because this is very helpful for us. And we hope if something gone wrong, then our correct page is secure. So I am just renaming this one with the one, and after doing this we can the site stop working. So it means the page is and now I'm going to upload this page, and we can see that it is connecting and things are happening very easily, and now page is uploaded successfully. New page is uploaded, we can see that now site is working again very well, no any problem. And if I refresh this part, then we can see that now our code is here, and this is just above the header part. Our code is here. So this is the way for a code placing in the FTP related website. Now if I have a Cpanel, that how will I place the code? This is the very simple way you can access the Cpanel. Let me show you. So to upload in the C with the help of Cpanel, you can access the Cpanel with this way, means the name of domain and Cpanel, and it will redirect as per the URL given by the service provider. And if you have saved login and password, then no problem, but if you are not saved, then you have to be place the username and passwords and go. And now as I reach here, we see the file manager. In the file manager, we see all the files and folders are here, but in the cpanel, the public HTML is the exact place where all the files those you are seeing in the live page are. So just open this any page where you want to place the analytic code. You just simply go to that page and right click, and here you see the options. You can download it and then open it in Edit Plus and then place the code and upload it. And I think this is the little bit long process. So better way is this: you can edit HTML, and at the same time you can see that you can find a very good way. You find the page like this, and here is the save button, and enter edit plus is here, editor is here, and you can go to the source part, and in the source part you can see that head is started from here and ended at here. In between this you can place your analytic code. As of now the person is placing an edited code here just below the head, no issue, no problem, but you can copy it and place it just below, just above the head closing tag, and you can save it. The file is saved. Now you can check it, is it uploaded or not. You go to the here and slash .html. As you know, this is the page, and you can go to the source code part and you see the script is now here. So in the both way, the placing the code is very easy. So you do not need to worry about how to place the code and how to create an account. So now we are moving to another section. So our account creation, website registration, code collection, and code implementation. These four topics has been completed. Now if you are not having your website but you are a blogger, you are writing blog, and you want to understand how much traffic you are gaining from the various sources. So for this you need to install the analytic code. How do you install? The simple way is this: go to the your blogger account. I am showing you. I hope you all are aware about this, that blogger is the part of Google as of now. So there is no need to create a separate email ID to register in the blogger. Your Gmail ID is perfect suitable for this section. So just start with this, and I hope if you are thinking that you have not created blog yet and you want to learn how to create the blog, so I'm just taking a small class here. You can see that there is the blog section where I can place show you a lot of things are here, and in this you need to place the analytic code. So just go to the settings section. In the settings section, you can see a very important part that is just below. You find Google Analytic Property ID. You just go to here and no need to place the entire code. You just need to place simple code that I shown you before some time, like this ID. You see it is the very small part, and you just copy it from here and reach to the blogger section and place this ID here and save. It's very easy to register a blog with analytic account, and the reverse process is the same. You go to the property, you create the account, you create the view and place your blog part there, and then get the code, and that code you have to place here. So I'm just removing this code because this code is not associated with this blog, so it's very easy. The another section is code for WordPress. Actually, before a few years, the code placing on the WordPress is as simple as Blogger. But before a few time, WordPress providing this facility only for the paid version of the WordPress. So there is no any clause to place the code in the WordPress blog. But if you download the theme and upload your domain, then it's very easy to place the code, and the way and the method is very same. You have to go and register your website with the Google Analytics and get the code and implement in the header parts. So it's really very easy. Let me show you. I know here you are getting the two more queries in your mind, that how to create account in Blogger and how to create blog WordPress account so that you can place the content. So I will take a separate class, the blog related. As of now, I am inside the WordPress based websites. So just WP admin and you log in here. And in this, there is a tool section where you can find the detail, means you can see the things, theme editor and header menus. So you go to the theme editor and you find something like this. In this you have to check the theme header.php, and you reach on this section and you find inside the head section, the owner is also already installed the Google Tag Manager instead of Analytics. So this is the same that I will show you. So here already analytic code is installed, so there is no need to place one more code here, and it's really very easy to you go the appearance then theme editor, and theme editor check the header.php side and place the code in between the head section. So it's really very easy for you. Now the concern is how to check the report. So just open the analytic and go to the your analytic accounts, then the property. Let I click in this, I reach to the property, and on the views I reach here, and it's very easy for me to see all the things. Seeing on that page you reach here you can see real time is a reporting that you can see in the real time, means whatever is happening with your website you can see here. Just click on this overview, location, traffic source, content, event and conversion. The important thing is overview, location, traffic source and content. These are actually very easy to know and explain to your customer or client. So we reach to the overview section and find that as of now there is no anyone is visiting our website. If anyone is not visiting our website, then there is no any data for the location and traffic source. So leave this section as of now, because this run only when someone is visiting our website. So second is audience means lifetime value, cohort analysis, audience, user explorer, demography. This is the important part, so that we can analyze the popularity of our website among the age and gender. Interest, this is actually very important to understand that in market segment. The basic philosophy of this section is to understand the geo, means location from where people are visiting our website, what behavior they are doing, new versus returning, means how much is new and how much are returning. Third one is the technology. Like you can see that new visitors are always very high in number, returning visitors are very less. So here you can analyze that what you should do as much as, so that the old visitors should sustain. Because suppose every day you are getting this number of the new visitor, and suppose the 90% of these visitors come to your website again by tomorrow, then your traffic would be just double. So this thing is for the analysis purpose. Technology means browser operating system. If you are seeing that your website is gaining a much traffic from the Google Chrome, Firefox, Samsung Internet, so you have to be analyze your website every time with the Chrome browser. Like, is it working fine with the Chrome or not? So this is very important part. And mobile, you can see here with the name of device where your website are getting the access. So you can see that Xiaomi Redmi Y2, Apple, Xiaomi Redmi, Xiaomi. So you can see that the Xiaomi phones are more use your website. So to review your website, to understand your website's behavior, you need to check it or test it again and again with the given this thing. Cross devices, this is again not a very big deal. Custom benchmark, yeah, benchmark is the very important place where you can see that if you are a travel company, then you can find out that what is the travel industry doing as of now. This data is the common data for a year over, and you can see that your website is doing well than other website because others are in the bottom line. So this is very important part, and once you go through with this, you understand ecosystem. All traffic means channel, team, source, referral. Google ad is the paid campaign, search console is the webmaster, social means social media, and campaign those you made, paid, organic, or anything else. So all traffic, when you go to the source and medium, you find that source and medium having the Google, direct, referral, and paid campaign might be here. So this section is also very important because from where you are getting the good number of traffic. So you keep the primary focus to keep yourself in the better position there. Behavior is actually the part that shows you the all pages, landing page and exit page. Landing page and exit page are very important to know you because with the help of these pages you can analyze your site. If someone is landing on X page and the person move from your website with the same page, then this is the bounce rate. So you have to understand that something need to place on that page so that one person do some activity, person visit another web page, person place a query, person get engagement. And you have to also analyze your exit page, because if exit page is the thank you page, then there is no worry, but exit page is a page which is having some good information or place to put query, then you need to think that this page has to be more optimized for the user purpose. Site speed, you can check time to time. Site search, if your site is having a search. This part, conversion, this is actually very important. So primarily I can see you that goal is the very important part. Here you can see the overview, goal URL, reverse funnel goal. So this is actually showing that if someone is land your home page, 10 people are land on the home page, five of them are navigated to another page. Out of that, two people are navigate to the query form, and out of that two people, only one people reach on the thank you page. So this is a funnel design, means 10, 5, 3, 2, and 1. And you can analyze each of the step that what should be do more better so that the number 1 out of 10 should increase, means 3, 4, 5. So this funnel is analyzed with the help of the reverse goal path is showing you that if your goal is completed, then from where the person come, the previous, the previous, the previous. So this entire situation give you an idea that which page has to be optimized. Now the concern is this: how many reports you should share with the client. The client is not good technical as you are, so client just want to know how much traffic his website gain, his or her website gain. So one report is about the overview section, that how many traffic his website gain. User, new user, session, number of session, page view, session per view, session duration and bounce rate. The one report is this. Second report you can share with the geolocation, means from which location your website gain the traffic. Third one is the technology report. Technology means browser and operating system, so that owner or the business owner can understand that which section. Even you can create the report, and with every report you give your inputs also. After this you have to show the report of devices, that your website has been accessed by this device, so you should give the more concentration and more focus about this. So these are the primary reports that you have to send. Other than this, you come to the behavior section and go to the site landing page report. This is very important report, because on the basis of landing page you can explain to your client that these 100 pages or 1000 pages are very primary page, so do not uh, disturb these pages, and you have to be place good content, good query form and something good thing, so that user get more engaged. Other than this, you can see here the bounce rate and average duration. These both reports are actually very important for the client. Like suppose if the person landing on this page and the bounce rate is 89.47% and average duration is 8 seconds. This means this page needs a strong attention from the user, so that needs to change on this page, by which the bounce rate reduce and average session duration increase. So these all the reports needs an explanation also, so that your client get aware that where he need or his or she need to be modify the things. You can also explain him about the new session and all session, because you can see that there is the 100% and there is a 85%, means 85 users are always new. And suppose if this 85% is come again next day, then the traffic would be just double. So these all the things you have to explain your client for a better result. The every web page should be optimized, every web page should have the better user experience, and these all applicable for every website, either it is e-commerce website, it's service website, or it is the product selling website. So I hope this analytic code is very easy for you to implement on your website. So in this session, you have understand account creation, website registration, code collection, implementation, how to place it in Blogger. WordPress is for the paid version, but if you download the theme and upload it on a any domain name, then it's very easy. Reporting and important report, traffic, new and returning, location, page, bounce rate and duration. So in this way, I hope you enjoyed my this class and want to see you in my next class also. And again, I am saying myself Amrish Kumar from Uplatz. Thank you to see you. Have a nice time. In the next session, I am giving you a glimpse about the webmaster tool and how to create blog in the blogger and WordPress. Thank you.